Video begins with a shot of flickering firelight on a cave wall with paintings, then quickly transitions through the following scenes. Have you ever wondered how our story began? It started with a whisper, a flicker of firelight in a dark cave. Our ancestors painted their world on stone, the first chapters of a story that would echo through time. Scene shifts to the pyramids of Giza, then to ancient Greek architecture, then to a scroll of ancient Chinese paper. From the towering pyramids of Egypt, symbols of ambition, to the birth of philosophy in ancient Greece and the invention of paper in China, humanity's legacy grew. Knowledge began to spread, connecting minds across vast lands. Scene shows a montage of old maps, sailing ships, the Industrial Revolution, and then a fast-paced sequence of modern technology and data streams. Brave explorers sailed into the unknown, weaving our world together. Empires rose and fell, but through it all, innovation pushed us forward. Today, we hold the entirety of this incredible journey in the palm of our hands, in the digital streams that connect us all. Scene ends with a person looking up at a starry night sky. History isn't just something we read about. It's a story we are still writing every single day. What will your chapter be? Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.